Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sammy again, that crazy orchid lady. I wanted to show you today my slipper orchid. Now, this orchid is unlike anything I have in my collection. This is actually my second slipper orchid. My first one didn't do too well. So what I want to do is, because I don't have a lot of experience with it, I'm going to be a little bit more conservative. And I want to leave her with the same media that she came with. I'm pretty sure that this media is not too old because she is a young plant, as you can see. Now, in my care, she has had a couple of little spots there. This is all done by me, unfortunately. But anyway, I want to give her a better chance now. So I'm going to go ahead and repot her. I'm going to give her a squeeze. She's wet. I already wet her. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you that. You see this right here? That's water. You see that water? Orchids don't like that. Most orchids don't. This is a terrestrial orchid. And because she is terrestrial, she does not like, um, she does not like to have wet feet. They like some sort of moisture, but not wet feet. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze this out. There you go. You see it's loose? Let's look at the root system here. Let's see how we're doing. Yeesh. Oh boy. No bueno. No bueno. This looks horrible, guys. I have not been a good steward of this one. Yeesh. Well, I'm hoping she survives. How about that? Wow. This would be a second one that doesn't do too well in my care. So I guess repotting is the way to go. Repotting this one is the way to go. Let me take this off. What a mess, guys. Uy, uy, uy. No bueno. No bueno. No bonito. Nada. Ay, ay, ay. All right. Let's see. Let's do this. And hopefully with my media, I am using a special orchid bark. Got that at Home Depot. I don't mess with too much media, guys. I don't mess with that too much. I'm a simple Sally when it comes to that. I feel like these guys are pros. Look at the type of media it is. It's nice, and I don't need to be messing with it. I don't need to be messing with it. These guys know what they're doing when it comes to putting all the necessary things in the media that the orchids need, and just like to make myself simple life. All right, this is what I want to show you. Unlike any other orchid that I have at this moment, the orchid is going to grow from here. So this plant, the main plant, is not going to give me any more flowers. The new inflorescence is going to come from this guy right here. So we want to make sure that we do right by this one. I know I keep on saying that, but she's nice and tight there. And this is all that we're doing today. That is all. We're not doing anything else. We're going to do a sprinkle of water here, and that is it. She is going to go back in her pot. I'm going to put her inside where I had her in the past, and I am going to treat her very what is it? Very nicely and very kindly, because I do not want her to suffer. So the roots don't look too hot, guys. I don't know about this. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but at any rate, you know what? The other thing that I'm going to do is I am going to spray some hydrogen peroxide. The reason why is once it stops fizzing, it just turns into water. Okay? It turns into water, and at least if it has any fungus, which that's not too appealing, um, hopefully it will just have enough moisture, and also just I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, guys, because I'm so upset about the roots that hopefully if you have a slipper orchid, you have better luck. This is not really like my forte, but I'm going to try my very best and see what happens. I will follow up with you guys and see if she makes it or not. How about that? Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions or any comments about slipper orchids, I would greatly appreciate it. Any feedback, any advice you can give me on how to keep her alive, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I would love that. Please comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like this content, or if you want to see that she makes it. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. Have a great day, everybody. See you soon.